afternoon everyone. Today, social science exhibition is going to be held in our school, in which we the students of VVRS are going to express our culture, pride, heritage and history.
Exhibition is the most important part in our school life, which helps to bring confidence in ourselves and also gives chance to others to learn practically about history, our pride and.
Good morning, sir. This is solar system and this is our universe and my name is Abhipriya Kumari. I study in class 6. This is teammate work. This is my friend Aradhya.
Good morning everyone, my name is Aradhya from class 6A. This is my project solar system. Solar system has 8 planets and one sun. 8 planet around our sun and
our planet Earth.
And we live on Earth. Good afternoon everyone. I am Ritika today and she is Niharika. We are making a model of volcanic eruption. This model shows how volcano erupt. This shows how pressure is released from the volcano inside the earth. Thank you everyone.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Srishti. It is a model of solar system that consists of 8 planets including sun. The first planet is Mercury, then Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Thank you.
It is a periscope. It is used for. It is a periscope. It is made from a long tube and 2 plane mirrors. It is which is placed at 45 degree. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Unnati Chaudhary. It is a project about fundamental rights. There are total 6 fundamental rights: right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, constitutional and cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies, right to freedom for religion. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. This project is about the layers of the atmosphere. There are 5 layers of the atmosphere: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere.
Feminism is basically about women and men getting equal political, social and economical right. It's a really important term, and I think everyone should be a feminist, because not only is it about women getting rights or everything, it's also about getting men equal opportunities and etc etc.
यहाँ पे हमारे प्रोजेक्ट में ये हम दिखा रहे हैं कि हम लोग कास्केडिंग इफ़ेक्ट से कैसे इम्प्रूव करके जीएसटी में आए। कास्केडिंग इफ़ेक्ट हमारा ये था कि एक ही चीज़ पे डुअल टैक्सेशन होता था। मार्केटिंग से होलसेलर तक पहुंचने तक में डुअल टैक्सेशन होता था। अब जीएसटी आने की वजह से डुअल टैक्सेशन नहीं होता है, जिसके कारण कंज्यूमर पे बर्डन कम होता है। थैंक यू।
वी प्रिपेयर्ड अ मॉडल इन इलेक्शन प्रोसेस ऑफ इंडिया. इसमें हमने दिखाया इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया विच वाज एस्टैब्लिश्ड ऑन 25th of January 1950 and the first chief election commissioner was Shri Sukumar Sen, and it ensures that there must be a free and fair election. And now the current chief election commissioner is Mr. Gyanesh Kumar, and this model shows the whole process of election. And this is EVM. We prepared a EVM which works digitally. After that we have strong room and counting center where votes are collected. Thank you.
Our judicial system is divided into 3 parts: Supreme Court, District Court and High Court.
Starting from the District Court, Shri Kanhaiya Ji Chaudhary is our judge of District Court. He was appointed on October 26 and the total number of judges in District Court is 9. Now moving towards High Court.
Our Patna High Court has 53 judges, and the current judge is Ashutosh Kumar, and he serves for all the district courts in Bihar, and now the Superior and the Supreme Court. So
The current judge of Supreme Court is Mr. Suryakant Kumar. He is also said to be the 53rd Chief Justice of India.
for a change, the blindfold lady has been unblindfolded for two.
हर स्तर पर एक ही बुनियाद हर व्यक्ति को मिले न्याय.
This is a geography model based on the 5 layers of atmosphere. The first layer is the troposphere. It extends up to the height of 13 km. All the weather phenomena occurs here like rain, hailstorm and fog, all swirling around as if the sky is celebrating of the Children's Day.
Now we rise up into the stratosphere, a home to our brave pilots and flying planes. It extends up to the height of 50 km and it is almost free from clouds and associated weather phenomena. One feature of stratosphere is that it contains a layer of ozone gas.
Above it lies the mesosphere. It extends up to the height of 80 km. Meteorites burn up in this layer free from entering up into the space.
Now, then we move to thermosphere. It changes temperature rapidly with increasing height. Ionosphere is the part of this layer. It extends up to the height of 80 to 400 km. In fact, it transmits radio waves on this layer. In fact, radio waves transmitted from this layer are reflected back to the earth by this layer. One feature of stratosphere is that the aurora boreals happen in this layer.
The last layer is the exosphere, the gateway to outer space. The uppermost layer of the atmosphere. It extends up to the height of about 500 km. Gases like helium and hydrogen float into this layer.
Now, as we exhibit our social science exhibition, we are really grateful to you for your patience and guidance. Thank you for your continuous support and patience.
Good afternoon everyone, I Mishra, class 6A, standing here to display the Harappan civilization model. This model shows my Harappan civilization, and there is a great bath. In the great bath people used to put the press water, and people used to bath in this, and in the special occasions people used to bath. Some rituals people used to do, and there are so many boundaries around here, and there are so many plants, trees. At the one corner there is well in which they used to take out water. Beside that well there is wheat and barley farm in which they used to crop, and they used to farm the wheat and barley farm. There is two houses. There are for allied peoples to live in. There was in a house where allied peoples was living, and some stairs are there to come down in great bath. Thank you everyone.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Aradhya Shikhar of class 7 and she is my partner. Now she introduces herself.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Swati Kumari of 7th A. We stand over here to describe the layers of the atmosphere.
First, atmosphere. Atmosphere is the thin blanket of air that surrounds the earth. Or domain of air is also known as atmosphere. It is divided into 5 layers: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. First layer is the troposphere. Troposphere is the most uppermost layer of the earth's surface. It extends up to a height of 13 kilometers. The air we breathe exists in this layer. All the weather phenomena is occurring in this layer, like snowfall, rainfall, fog, and thunderstorm, etc. Now, stratosphere.
It lies above the troposphere. It extends up to a height of 50 km. One important feature of a stratosphere is that it contains ozone gas that protects us from the harmful rays of sun rays. Now, mesosphere.
Mesosphere. Mesosphere is the third layer of the Earth's surface. It extends up to a height of 80 kilometers. 80 kilometers. The meteoroids burn up in this layer that's come from the space. Now, exosphere, thermosphere.
It lies above the mesosphere. Ionosphere is part of this layer which helps us in radio communication. It extends up to a height of 80 km to 40 km. It also helps in radio communication. Now, exosphere.
Exosphere is the last layer of the atmosphere. It is the most outermost layer of the Earth's surface. It extends up to a height of 1000 kilometers above. The satellites' orbits are found in this layer. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Adda Pastor from class 7A with our project on layers of atmosphere with my partner Kriti Rashmi. Now she introduced herself.
Good morning, sir. I am Kriti of class 7. I am here to share while making this project what I learned. There are five layers of atmosphere: troposphere, stratosphere, and the third one is mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere.
Now starting with troposphere. Troposphere is most important layer of the atmosphere. The average height of troposphere is 13 km. Almost all the weather phenomena like rainfall, hailstorm, or fog occur in this region. Stratosphere. Stratosphere lies above troposphere. It extends up to 50 km. Almost all weather phenomena is also exist here. Aeroplanes are fly in this region. Most important feature of stratosphere is that it contains a layer of ozone gas.
The third layer is mesosphere. It extends up to height of 80 km in height. This layer, meteoroid burns into this layer while entering from the space. And the fourth layer of this atmosphere is thermosphere. In thermosphere, the temperature increases rapidly, and it helps This layer help in radio transmission, and it has also known as ionosphere. And the last layer of the atmosphere is exosphere. Exosphere is the last of the layer of atmosphere. It Space starts from here. It contains thin gases like helium, lithium, and hydrogen, which floats into the air. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. We are here to present our heritage quiz that is based on our culture and religion and folk dance of India.
Good afternoon, everyone. We are present to represent our project, which is based on Indian Heritage Cultural Quiz. This quiz we play for and understand and know our Indian culturals. Thank you.
This is a project of volcano eruption. When vinegar is adding in the and with baking soda, an acid-made reaction solution take place. Vinegar is also known as acetic acid, and baking soda is just a sodium bicarbonate.
A volcano erupts because magma from the inside the earth rises up and it fades out through the opening.
Good evening, sir. This is our school 3D model Vidya Vihar residential school. It is established in 1996 and it is applied in CBSE. And in this The students are learning how to live in society in a boarding residential school. The students are learn how to live in society, how to learn how to talk in a society, how to talk in a culture. In our campus, the solar energy we are use again and again. We are do not wasting the energy. We are using the energy and reuse.
Good evening to one and all present over here. This map shows all the Indian states, culture and heritage. As you can see in the Bihar, the famous ancient learning university was the Nalanda University, and the famous food is litti and chokha, and the here famous festival is Chhat Puja, and here the famous art is Madhubani painting. As many states show this only all the Indian states culture and heritage. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. This model shows the population pyramid of India, in which the base part represent the level of birth, and the middle part shows the level of youngers, and the upper part shows the level of death. In India, the bottom part is wider because the younger are in most population. And this is a model of Harappan civilization, which was famous for its great bath, citadel, and its upper house, lower house. It was established in Gujarat in about 150 years ago. Some crops like maize, millets, and bajra was grown. This is a model of fundamental rights, in which we can see all fundamental rights of the democracy, just like right to equality, right to freedom of religion, right to constitution remedies. This represents the fundamental duties of the people in the country, in which every person can repeat its right for its activities in the country. Thank you.
गुड आफ्टरनून। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं ये वोल्केनो है और इसमें बेकिंग सोडा दिया गया है और बेकिंग सोडा में मेरे दोस्त इसमें पानी डाल देख सकते हैं आप, जैसा कि ये इरप्ट हो चुका है और इसमें से ये मैग्मा निकल रहा है और ये 3D यहाँ से वेंट है और ये क्रस्ट के अंदर इतना पार रहता है। ये स्टूडेंट को समझाने के लिए और ये स्टूडेंट के कॉन्सेप्ट को क्लियर करने के लिए इसमें 3D मॉडल पानी डालने के बाद ये इरप्ट होता है और इसमें से लावा निकलता है। और यही हमारा आज का प्रोजेक्ट है। इसके साथ है मैं, राज आनंद, हिमांशु, राज बाबू, आदर्श कुमार, ये सब हमारी टीम है और हमारी टीम ने मिलकर ये बनाया है। थैंक यू, धन्यवाद।
Warming, because here you can see the earth is nice and healthier than this side, because solar panels are used, afforestation is there, and also no harmful vehicles is there, no big farms, factories or industries there to make pollution, so the earth is healthier. But on the other hand, you can see this side and the condition of earth also, because there are vehicles used, so much harmful vehicles used, which produces so much carbon dioxide, big firms, factories, industries, deforestation, which creates a greenhouse effect, which is worsening the condition of earth day by day. Here, fundamental rights. Every citizen in India has their own fundamental rights, like right to equality, right to liberty, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion. All of them have their own rights. No one can exploit their rights, because in democracy everyone have this. If someone even dares to do that, he can be punished or sent to jail. Here it is showing the population pyramid of India. The broad bottom shows the birth level. It is high. The small child are more than the old. The rapidly decreasing the pyramid towards the up shows the death rate. The above you can see there are so lesser old people than the younger ones, because they are dying too much, which shows the level of death rate. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. My name is Akansha Singh from class 8.
I make this model fundamental rights books and duties. All people have their own fundamental rights, like right to liberty, right to freedom. All of these have their own freedom. We normally say the fundamental right is a backbone of our country. No one can exploit it against the lower caste, birth, gender. We say right to freedom means someone have freedom of religion, cannot exploit it against religion and other things. There have and we also say that fundamental right is a backbone of our country. Thank you. Uh, it is a population pyramid. It is a simple graph of pyramid. We saw the large number of people are born and death is low. It means our country population growing up and jameen land are come. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. We made this project, I, Niharkan and Ritika Kumari of class 8. This model shows how volcano erupts. We shows how volcano erupts with the help of Eno, lemon juice, hand wash and water. Thank you.
Simply we use homemade things, lemon juice and hand wash. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Janvi from class 8. I have made a project related to importance of traffic signals. Traffic signals provide us safety by giving us information, warning and regulation. It help in accident prevention by different type of traffic signs. It regulates the flow of traffic rules, use speed limit and stop traffic signs. It pro- it have mandatory rules, but it not following. The result is legal penalties. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. This is a model of solar eclipse in which the moon comes between the sun and the earth. This happen when the moon, sun and the earth comes in a straight line, and there are two types of shadow formed because of the solar eclipse, like umbra, in which it is a dark shadow, like it is central part of the shadow, and the penumbra, it is like the bright ring around the moon. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Iksha Yadav from 8A. This is the population pyramid you can see here, and the birth rate and the death rate is also given here. You can think that why India population increased, because in 1804 the population of India was 1 billion, but in 1959 the population of India increased to 3 billion, and in 1999 it increased double, which is 6 billion population, because of the good supply of water, food and medicine. Okay, and you can see here the birth rate and death rate. The birth rate is gives signified the birth of the Indian population, and the death rate signifies the death of the India. Okay, and the effect of this population is that market expansion, competition for jobs, resource depletion, and potential positive impacts, social and economical impacts, and the environment. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Dikshita and I'm studying class 7 and my section is section 8. So first let me tell about this model. Okay. So this is our worthy land where we live and this is 5 layers of atmosphere. So first of all, why these all things are important? This is important because we live in this surrounding and we must be aware of everything around us. So this is also a part of that only. So let me explain about these all 5 layers. So this is my model of 5 layers of atmosphere representing that. Okay. So first of all, why this project is important? Because we live in this environment and our surrounding is full of many things. So we need to be aware of what is happening, what is there in our surrounding. So this is representing that only. So let me explain about these all 5 layers of atmosphere. So first layer is troposphere, which extends up to 30 kilometer. This is most important layer because the gas we breathe is exists in this layer only, that is oxygen, and many more gas also exist in this layer. Okay, and all the weather phenomena like rain, storm, and all these occurs in this layer only. Now let's come up to stratosphere, which extends up to 50 kilometer. This layer is free from all the weather phenomena and clouds. So this layer is plenty for flying aeroplanes and all. So now let's come towards this mesosphere. This layer extends up to 80 kilometer, and this layer is we can say this layer is also important because meteorite which is coming from space burns up in this layer only. Okay, so now let's come towards thermosphere, which extends up to 80 to 400 kilometer. Okay, so in this layer rockets also flies and it helps in radio transmissions. Now moving towards the last but not least, exosphere, which is approximately length is 100,000 kilometer. It is more than it, but this is just estimate. Okay, so in this layer nothing is more, just nothing. It is more because in this layer planets, stars, and all these things exist.
So good afternoon. My name is Pratigya. I am from class 9. I have a representation on power of vote. In my representation is that what is the power of vote in how the election is done. When the power of vote is that when we vote the good leader, so in future the good leader make and many changes in our society. It make me our good in job, फिर आपका हो गया in change in society, फिर आपका और भी कुछ अच्छी चीज़ें वो कर सकते हैं. फिर ये बताया गया इसमें कि सबके लिए इक्वल बराबर वोट है. इसमें कोई भी क्या कहते हैं ऊंचा नीचा कुछ नहीं है, और जो लीडर्स आपको लालच दे के वोट मांगते हैं वो इसमें ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. इसलिए हमें हमारे पावर ऑफ वोट के हमें इज्जत करनी चाहिए. थैंक यू.
Good evening everyone, my name is Pihu Bharti and she is my partner Shreyasi. We both are from class 6A and this is our geography model which is based on solar system. So now we are going to know about solar system. Solar system consists of 8 planets which are Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Earth, Uranus, Neptune, Mercury, Venus.
Now let's talk about Mercury. The Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system and it is too close to the sun. And now move around Venus. The Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system and it is also the second planet in our solar system. Now talk about Earth. The Earth supports life because due to water, oxygen, and it consists of living creatures. Next talk about Mars. The Mars is the fourth planet in our solar system and it is also known as red planet because it's red rocky soil. Now talk about Jupiter. The Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system and it consists of so many gases. Now talk about Saturn. The Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system and it has a ring around it and it consists of 2 gases like helium and nitrogen. Now talk about Uranus. The Uranus is the 7th planet in our solar system and it is coldest planet in our solar system also.
Now talk about Neptune. The Neptune is the coldest and last planet in our solar system. These all are our solar system planets. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Here is our project, and the topic of our project is rainwater harvesting. And the motto is every drop counts. Now I am going to give.
Every year we get so much rainfall, but most of it just flown away. So, what if we could store it and use it for later? That's the idea of rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting means collecting and storing water for future. It is simple. Water from the rooftop is directed through pipes into tanks or into grounds to increase the groundwater level.
Good evening. I am Prachi Anand of class 6A. I am here to represent my geography model, that is solar system. This solar system is believed to form billions of years ago. This solar system formed by due to a huge explosion of dust cloud and giant gas. The planet is the heavenly bodies that move around the fixed orbit. There is a two types planets. Rotation. There are three types of planets: inner planet, outer planet, and dwarf planet. Inner planets. They are small in. They have lack of rings, and outer planets are giant and they have ring, and dwarf planet is very small and very far by the sun. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. This is the solar system and this is working out. My name is Abhipriya Kumari and this is my team partner. This model is working. There our solar system is 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Mars, Saturn, Earth, Jupiter, Neptune, Uranus. First, Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet because it is closest to the sun. Venus. Venus is the brightest star and Venus is the brightest star, and morning time the Venus star as it visible for sunrise time, and Earth में तो जानते Earth life and air water. This is my team partner and she.
गुड मॉर्निंग, माय नेम इज़ आराध्या फ्रॉम क्लास 6A. हम यहाँ पे प्रस्तुत हैं इस प्रोजेक्ट को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए. फर्स्ट है जुपिटर. जुपिटर इज़ द लार्जेस्ट प्लानट इन सोलर सिस्टम. इट इज़ 5th planet from the sun. And Saturn is second largest planet in solar system. It is 6th planet from the sun. Uranus is a coldest planet and it has rings. And Neptune is the farthest planet from sun and it is very cold. Thank you.
गुड इवनिंग. ये इंडिया गेट है और ये 1931 में एडविन लुटियंस के थ्रू बनाया गया था. ये इंडियन जो फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर हुआ था और अफ़गान वॉर में जो भी सोल्जर्स मारे गए थे इंडियन के, उसके याद में ये ब्रिटिशर्स ने बनाया था. थैंक यू.
Our universe is a vast and mysterious place, and our group will take you to journey of the solar system. The solar system consists of 8 planets and one that are our home star.
Sun is a star and is in center of our solar system. It is a hot glowing ball of hydrogen and helium. It accounts 99% of solar system.
And the blue planet, it is also known as blue planet because it mainly consists of water than land. It is the only planet where life is accessible. Mars is the 4th planet in our solar system. Mars is the 4th planet in our solar system. It is also known as red planet because of the iron surface present in it.
Good evening, everyone. I, Chayan Agrawal, present over here in social exhibition, and I represent my project of in front look of VVRS. First of all, I am trying to giving you some little bit knowledge about the VVRS. That VVRS is created or made in 1996, in which in this school Saksham lab, computer lab, or VR lab also placed. Or in this project I am trying to giving focus on classroom and in front looking Vidya Vihar. That's all from my side, and I believe my school is great.
Good evening. Here is the model of old Parliament House, new Parliament House, and coin collection. In this, we have made new Parliament House. New Parliament House is situated just front of the old Parliament House, which is inaugurated by our Honorable Prime Minister on 23rd May 2023. This is the coin collection project which show our heritage, which is take from our descendant, and these coins are not in practice nowadays. That's all from my side. Thank you.
And good evening everyone. This is my model and they are my partner Akshatans and Saket Kumar. So we have arranged a model of volcano which erupt like when we add in it and water react with it and it release carbon dioxide gas and it create pressure and release carbon dioxide and due to which it erupts like this.
First of all, good evening, sir. Which you are in front of you are ready to represent our project of solar system. So let's start our intro. Sir, our solar system has the only star, which name is Sun.
And the first planet near the Sun is Mercury, and it is the smallest planet in our solar system.
Then you can see the second one is Venus. It is the brightest planet in our solar system.
And the third planet is Earth, which we know as blue planet.
And the Earth is only a planet where life can exist. And then you can see the planet Mars. It is also known as the red planet.
And the fifth planet is Jupiter. Jupiter is a biggest planet in our solar system. It is made up of many gases.
The sixth one is Saturn. It has 7 rings which are made up of dust particles, rocks.
And the seventh planet is Uranus. Uranus is also has a ring which we cannot see with our naked eyes.
And the last one is Neptune. It is very farthest from the sun, and it is the last planet of our solar system. It is very cold.
Good evening. I am here to present my model, which is New Parliament. It is also known as Bharat Mandapam, and it was made in 2023 on 28th May.
As you can see, my friend Rishikesh and I am Navneet Mishra from class 8. We have made this parliament model which is made on 28th of May 2023. It have 2 houses, Lok Sabha and Raj Sabha. They are different. They are made on the theme of peacock and lotus. In between, in the courtyard of the parliament, there is a banyan tree to represent the nature, and it have one flag on its top. Its chief architect name was Vimal Patel. Thank you. Good.
Here is my layers of atmosphere. There is first layer is troposphere. It extends up to 13 kilometer. Second layer is stratosphere. It exists up to 50 kilometer. Third layer is mesosphere. It exists up to 80 kilometer. Fourth layer is thermosphere. It exists up to 80 to 400 kilometer. Fifth layer is exosphere. It exists up to 100 to there is no his kilometer. Thank you.
Good evening everybody. Today I am here to represent my geography project 3D model of atmosphere. So there is 5 layers in our atmosphere. The first layer is troposphere. It extends up to 13 kilometer. And the second layer is stratosphere. It extends up to 50 kilometer. And the third layer is thermosphere. It extends up to 80 kilometer. And the fourth layer is mesosphere. It extends up to 80 to 400 kilometer. And the last layer is exosphere. It extends up to 1000 kilometer. Thank you everyone.
Good evening everyone. I am present here to show this project. I am Priyansh Ras, and this project is says about many types of atmosphere layers.
first layer, troposphere, it is extended about 15 kilometers. Second layer is stratosphere, it is extended about 50 kilometers. And third is mesosphere, it is extended about 80 kilometers. Fourth is thermosphere, it is extended about 80 to 400 kilometers. And last one is exosphere, this is about extended about thousands of kilometers.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Ujjwal Anand. We stand here to represent our creativity, the social science project. It is Red Fort. It is situated in Delhi, the capital of India. It is made of red stones. Thank you.
I am Adarsh Kumar. This project is made by our team. This is Red Fort. It was started in 1638 May and completed in 1648 April. The architect of this monument was Ustad Ahmad Lodi.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Anand Chaudhary. We recently listened the news in the. We are suffering from the bomb blast in this monument in the metro station. Bomb blast. Thanks.
My name is Falaknur, so thank you.
Good evening everyone. I, Arvija of class 7A is present over here to show the model of 5 layers of the atmosphere. Starting with troposphere, it is the layer which consists of all weather phenomena, airplanes, flying jets, all these things fly in this layer. Then we come to stratosphere, which consists of ozone layer, which protect us from ultraviolet rays. Then is mesosphere. Meteorites coming towards the earth burned in this air. Then is thermosphere. Satellites and radio signals are in these layers. And last but not the least, exosphere, it merges into the space. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. This is our project of Harappan civilization, and this is in reference of Harappa, its first excavated city. It was discovered by Dayaram Sahni in 1921 and the Mohenjo-daro in 1922 by R.D. Banerjee, and this town was divided into two parts. First was upper city and second is lower city. In upper city, most probably elite peoples and granaries and regional buildings were there, and in lower city common people used to live. This third part is great bath. In this normal people bath, this is made for publics.
Good evening. Today we are going to show you the model of the layers of atmosphere. The layers of atmosphere it consists 5 layers, right? Ans?
Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere.
Yes, the 5 layers of atmosphere are troposphere, mesosphere, stratosphere, exosphere and thermosphere. So starting with the troposphere. In troposphere, all types of weather phenomena take place. After troposphere, there is a stratosphere. Stratosphere extends up to the height of 50 km. In stratosphere, planes fly because it is free from all types of weather phenomena. After stratosphere, there is mesosphere, which extends up to 80 km. In mesosphere, the air is very cold. The air is less dense and the atmospheric pressure is high. The meteors which come from outer space burn in this layer. After mesosphere, there is thermosphere.
Very good evening to everybody listening. This is our geography project given as Puja vacation homework by SRP sir, who is our geography teacher. So I won't take much time. Starting off with what is the atmosphere? Atmosphere is a thin blanket of air that surrounds the earth. It has several layers that roll up like an onion after cutting it. You can look. The first layer is the troposphere, which extends up to a height of 13 kilometers. Most of the weather phenomena we see exist over here, and it is one of the most important layers as the air we breathe is in this layer. Now the next layer is the stratosphere, which is mostly free from most of the weather phenomena, making it ideal for flying planes. It extends up to a height of 50 kilometers. Next up is the mesosphere, which is one of the most important layers as the air here is very cold, making it dense. So any outer projectiles that come into the Earth's atmosphere, just like a meteorite, burn up in this layer. The next up is the thermosphere, which has the ionosphere. The radio waves travel in this layer. It extends up to a height of 40 to 80 to 400 kilometers. Now the final layer, which is the exosphere, which has no defined height, but most people assume it to be 500 kilometers to 1000 kilometers. Spacecrafts find this layer. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good evening, everyone. Today I am present here with with my geography model. I am Pratyush Kumar and with my partner
Rajvardhan Rajput.
Today we will explain you the atmosphere. First, the atmosphere is a thin layer of blanket around the Earth. It has the 5 layers. The first layer is the troposphere. It is the most important layer in the atmosphere. It will because it carries the oxygen we breathe, and it extends up to 13 kilometer. The second layer is the stratosphere, which extends up to the 50 kilometer. The aeroplanes fly in this layer because all the weather phenomena don't exist here. Third layer is mesosphere. Um, it has it has a very high temperature. It has a very low temperature and a high friction, by which the foreign objects coming from the space burn in this layer. The fourth layer is the thermosphere. It will be explained by the Rajvardhan Rajput, which is my partner.
Thermosphere is the fourth layer of the atmosphere. It extends up to 80 to 400 kilometers. The last layer is the exosphere. It is cannot be defined its height. It is the uppermost layer of the atmosphere. It is directly connect from the outer space. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Good evening, everyone. I Sanatan. I am present here with my geography project, Layers of Atmosphere. I Sanatan and my partner
Sarthak Ojahia.
The atmosphere is a very thin blanket of earth that surrounds the space. There are 5 layers of atmosphere: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. My partner will tell about these layers.
Troposphere. Troposphere is a layer which extends up to 13 kilometer. The weather phenomena like rainfall and fogs occur here. More layers will be told about by Sanatan Anand.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Ananya from class 8B, and here I am with my social science project, which is based on the topic Harappan civilization, well known as Indus Valley civilization. Harappa and Mohenjo-daro were the first two cities of the civilization, which were divided into two parts. Harappa was first known as in 1924, a century before. A century before Harappa was known, and it is divided into two parts. First, the upper part is known as the upper city, where the local elite people lives, and in the lower city where common people lived. Here a question comes about the Great Bath. What was a Great Bath? A Great Bath probably might be a pond or a river where the public could take bath, or a royal family. It is not sure about it. Or it is used as a religious rituals, etc. And Harappans were much more particular about the drainage system and cleanliness. And they have divided their drainage system in their homes for the baths too, which were connected to the drains down to the streets and took the wastewater away. Thank you, everyone.
This is fundamental rights that we all have. All the fundamental rights are given to all people, because when the constitutions were not came at that time, people faces so many problems, discriminations as the basis of gender, caste, religion, etc. To protect the marginalized people, we have fundamental rights. Here is some fundamental rights. Rights to freedom, rights to equality, rights against exploitation, rights of constitutional remedies, rights of educational, and rights of religion.
Good evening, sir. Myself Siddhi Singh Rajput of class 8. Here I am stand over here to show and explain how volcano eruption happen using a simple model of volcano. This model shows how pressure builds up inside a volcano and how it erupts when its pressure is released. So this simple model help us to understand how real volcano eruption. It's all about pressure and gases. Volcanoes can form new land changes weather and even crowd. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Alia of class 8. Today, this is a population pyramid. It is a chart that shows age and gender construction of a country. In many developing countries, population pyramid has wide base and narrow top. It means that there are many younger peoples but fewer older peoples. This structure shows the high birth rate. Understanding the population pyramid help us in the future better growth. Thank you.
This is the project of layers of atmosphere. And there are 5 layers in atmosphere. First of all, we have troposphere. It is the most important layer of atmosphere, and it extends up to 15 kilometers. And all weather phenomena occurs in this layer only. Stratosphere is also the main layer, but it extends up to 50 kilometers. And in this layer, no weather phenomena exists. And it is ideal for flying aeroplanes. And third, we have mesosphere. Mesosphere is the third layer of the atmosphere. It extends up to 80 kilometers and it burns the meteorites entering from the space. And then we have thermosphere.
This is a project model based on layers of atmosphere. Here, there are 5 layers of atmosphere. Firstly, we have the Earth. The first layer of the Earth, troposphere. It is almost 13 kilometers up from the Earth atmosphere. It contains clouds, aeroplanes, etc. And the second layer is stratosphere, which contains the flying aeroplane and the constant speed. And thirdly, we have the mesosphere. It contains all the weather phenomena, etc. And fourth, we have the thermosphere. It contains the weather balloon, rocket, etc. And lastly, we have the exosphere. It contains all the satellites, space shuttles, etc.
So we are here with a project that will tackle one of the major problems of India, not only of India, of the world. The rainwater harvesting plus combined hydroelectricity generation. What we have done is here there is one roof catchment area on the rooftop, and from there the water goes to the main tank. There are 2 tanks, one is support tank and another is storage tank. Support tank is used for the various purposes in the home, and there is one storage tank where there is a motor which we on the motor the water is thrown in the turbine water pump tank, and from there it moves towards the turbine pump, and from there it generates a few amount of electricity which is used to the glow that LED, and from there the water is again thrown to the main tank by the use of motor that will save the water which is used for turbine water pump. So we have done a loop of water which is used to regenerate electricity again and again, twice, thrice time. And the water is never wasted here because when we throw water on the turbine pump, we again gain it by the help of motor on this tank. Thank you. That's all our project.
Sir, this is Citadel, where also known as upper area, where these people live, and this is Great Bath. Great Bath is used for especially used for holy occasions. This is changing room where people change their clothes, and this is granary where food and grains were stored. This is house where ordinary people live, and this is drainage system where the waste of garbage of houses are drained, and this is well where they drink water and use and take water for other purposes. And this is upper town where these people live, and this is lower town where ordinary people live. Thank you.
गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। जैसा कि आप सभी देख पा रहे हैं कि आज इस बाल दिवस के अवसर पर हमारे छात्रों ने विद्या विहार आवासीय विद्यालय में एक सोशल साइंस प्रोजेक्ट का आयोजन किया है और जो भी असाइनमेंट्स जो प्रोजेक्ट उनको दिया गया था वो प्रोजेक्ट को बखूबी उन्होंने निभाया है, बनाया है। और इसमें सब कुछ प्राचीन भारत से लेकर मध्यकालीन भारत, आधुनिक भारत, पुराने संसद, नए संसद और वोटिंग प्रोसीजर, आप वहाँ ईवीएम भी देखेंगे और बच्चों का जो सोलर सिस्टम है, बच्चे किस तरह से उत्साहित हैं और काफ़ी अच्छे अंदाज में, बहुत ही डेकोरेटिव मैनर्स के साथ इन्होंने अपने प्रोजेक्ट को दिया है, जो काफ़ी तारीफ़ काबिल है। और बच्चों ने काफ़ी हद तक बहुत मेहनत की है, इन्होंने बहुत मेहनत की है और हर एक मोर्चे पर अपने 100% को दिया है। मैं इनको शुभकामनाएं देता हूं और इनके उज्जवल भविष्य की कामना करता हूं। थैंक यू।
Good evening. This is the stamp collection. As you can see, we have around 200 stamps. These ones are national, all nationals. In this side, we got international and national both. This one is from Mongolia, and this one is from Nigeria. We got every national things, and all are from independence.
And the oldest stamp that we have is that this stamp is about before our freedom. In 1942, this stamp is issued.
We are also having sustainable city, parliament, model of VVRS and traffic indicators. First of all, we are having sustainable city. This shows our future, how our solar energy, wind energy and water energy will create an history about electricity. Now he will explain about the parliament.
This is parliament. Parliament is known as called the set of law. It has 6 ceremonial entrants and the main 3 ceremonial entrants known as Gyan, Sakti, Karma, and the Ashoka stamp weight is 9,900 kg.
This is sustainable city. It will soon be our future. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I am Aditya of class 7 and he is my friend Anand Kumar. Together we make this model about layers of atmosphere, by which we try to explain all the layers of atmosphere. I think you understand many things about it. Thank you.
Good evening, I am Abhinav Ravi from Kautilya House. Here is my project that we see that how is the project is defined. Here is the troposphere, layers of earth, and it is the troposphere, stratosphere, thermosphere and my exosphere. Their benefits are in my atmosphere is very big, and we see that there is a troposphere extend up to 30 kilometers, and by that our project is made. It is made by very efficiency cost, so we here to describe our project. Thank you.
Good evening. Here it is a periscope that is used in submarine in the navy. It is made with the help of two plane mirrors in the angle of 45. It helps us to see the image over the obstacles. And here is volcano that is there by
Sir, this is a volcano where you can see the surface over here. Here is the lava chamber. Here is the lava chamber, and here is the vent from which the volcano comes out. Now you can see this is a practical model which will be explained by Answardhan.
This is a practical model of the volcano in which if we mix Eno in that, it erupts out. Because of it is a practical model of the volcano. Thank you, sir.
A very warm good evening to you all. This is the map of 1989 across a point approx 184 crore is population of 1898. In 2019 approx 139 crore population across. India has taken several steps to control population growth as part of its development and efforts. The government promotes family planning program and awareness, campaigns and uses of consultations, encourages small facilities. Thank you.
It is a new parliament which is constructed in 2023. The main architect was the Vimal Patel. Here is the main entrance which is known as the Gyan Dwar. it represents the knowledge and prosperity. And here is the Sakti Dwar. It represents the power and the courage. It is the
Kam Dwar,
which represents the our deeds and the victory. Here. It is the Lok Sabha. It consists of 888 seats. It is the Raj Sabha. Its strength is 348 seats. And this is the combined assembly hall. Its strength is 1,272 seats. And this is the Hans Dwar. It is the additional Dwar also. And this is the Sugrul Dwar. And at the back there is a Dwar which is named as a Magar. These all are named after mythical creatures. Thank you.
A very warm and pleasant good evening to everyone. I, Utkarsh, with my friend Fazle, is presenting the history project. So, for further details, here is the Fazle.
A very warm and pleasant good evening to one and all present over here. I, Fazli Ilahi, is standing here with the historical flags of India project, which is based on history. I want to say that here is before this is the tricolor, which is the current flag of India. Before this flag, there were several flags used in India by the Indians for the representation of their national symbol. First, the Mughals were the largest ruling territorial kingdom in India. So this flag is of Mughals, which were used in between 1526 to almost 1856 till the last Mughal emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar. Now the next, when the Britishers came to India, they established and designed their own flag, which looks just same as this. There were Union Jack at top side here, and then a sun emblem on the red flag. This was named as British Raj Red Ensign. This flag was used in the year 1880. Now,
good evening everyone. These are the projects made by us. Over here, this is the rotatable model of the fundamental rights which are granted by the Constitution to all the citizens of India. This is a smart city where all the facilities are available to the people. And this is a model which showcases the difference between a forest, an area where contains vegetation and both animals, and an area where all the trees are cut in which we can see that the difference between the texture of the soil. Over here, it is a bit brownish and here it is green. It shows that this soil will most likely end up in like a desert. This soil is not fertile for growing plants, whereas this soil can grow crops and vegetation. We can also see that most of the animals are alive and living their life. Over here, the ecosystem is stable.
Basically, it's Harappan civilization and it is made 5,000 years ago.
It plays a really crucial role in a great Indian history, and the roads of Harappan civilization were just 90 degrees straight, and I have made some tools and the great bath one area and some utensils and all. The great bath area was basically that when some special occasions were taken place, then the occasion were held here only and they celebrate it like a festival. This is the storage area and all.
It was the first and very well developed civilization of India.
This was the first civilization with drainage system and great bath system.
This is solar system, and this is asteroid belt. The planets before the asteroid belt are known as inner planet, and the planet after the asteroid belt are known as outer planet. And the main function of this asteroid belt is to protect the inner planets from the comets or any foreign object body. And every planet has their moons. Some have one moon, some have two moons, and many other moons except Mercury and Venus. And Earth is known as blue planet as it is the planet of 70% water. Jupiter is the largest planet. Saturn is mostly famous for its beautiful rings, which is made up of ice, dust and snow. And Neptune is the windiest planet and the most cold planet.
These are the foreign currencies. These are the foreign currencies. This is of US $1, which whose Indian value is rupees 88.75. This is of Dubai dirham, and this is of Nepal, which is known as Nepalese rupee. And these are the coins which are not used in legally used in India now. And these are all the foreign coins. And these are also some Indian foreign currencies. This is of Indonesia, Malaysia and Hong Kong.
This is the 5 layers of the atmosphere. The first layer is troposphere. It extends up to 15 kilometers from the earth, and it is the very important layer of the earth. Now second layer is stratosphere. Stratosphere, it extends up to 50 kilometers from the earth, and it also contains cloud and ozone layer. Ozone layer help us from harmful UV rays which are extracted from the sun. Then the third is mesosphere. Mesosphere, it helps us from it helps to burn the meteoroids or asteroids which come from the sun space, and it is the third layer of the earth. It extends up to 80 kilometers. Now thermosphere. Thermosphere, it extends up to 400 kilometers from the earth. It also contains a layer named ionosphere. Now the last layer is exosphere. It is the last layer of the earth. It is into the space. It contains gases like hydrogen, helium.
Good evening, everyone. This is our erupting volcano model, and this is when in this the composition of sodium bicarbonate and water H2O, when they are mixed, the volcano is erupted, and this erupting volcano shows how the volcano working model of volcano. I'm showing you. Please show the model. As you see, the foam is coming out, the lava is coming out from the volcano, and this is our working volcano. Good evening, everyone. This is our project, that is global warming model. This is global warming model. This is a polluted earth, and this is the clean earth. In this polluted earth, we see as the increasing level of carbon dioxide. Due to the increasing level of carbon dioxide, the global warming increases, and that gives us very dangerous problem in this day. So we have to control the global warming. We have to do more and more afforestation, established windmill, and we have also to generate hydroelectricity. Thank you.
Today we are going to explain you about this our solar system project. This is sun. Sun is the main source of light in our project. Sun is the main source of light in our solar system, and this is Mercury.
Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system and also the nearest planet to the sun. Let's move to the Venus.
Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system, not because it is second nearest to the sun, but also an acid rain took place in its surface. Earth
is the third planet from the sun and only the planet where life exists because of the presence of air, water and fertile soil.
Mars is also known as red planet because of its red soil. Do you know why it is red? Because the presence of iron in it. Now Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, and many hot gases are present in it. Now Saturn
is famous for its beautiful rings which are made up of ice and dust particles. Let's moving.
We are having a working model of volcano which may erupt, and we are having a good citizenship quiz in which we can check ourselves that we are good or not. We have fundamental right and duties project which students can learn from it. We are having a coin collection of the 1953 to 2024 Asian coins with the newest ones. We are also having a rupees collection in which the new notes, all the notes are kept, also some of the band notes.
This is a sustainable city. In this is a hospital and this medical and garden, and this is a traffic light. This is very useful for modern city and not more traffic for not more pollution. It protect from pollution and also. Thank you.
It is a volcano. It erupted because of the main reason that was the earthquake in a sea. It is a method of releasing pressure. One is earthquake and second is volcano eruption. It releases some gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide and methane. It also releases lava and magma when it erupts.
This is a periscope and it is mainly used in tanks and submarines. It is used to see the outside image in seas, and there is two mirrors that placed on 45-degree each, and this is mainly used to see outside things. Thanks.
Good evening to all. Today I will give you some knowledge about solar system. It is our solar system which consists some planets, stars and satellites. Let's meet our sun. It is made up of helium and hydrogen and it was made by an explosion. Let's meet now Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet and the closest planet from the sun. Venus. Venus is the hottest planet because it is very close to sun, and after it there is earth. Earth is known as blue planet, and the most important thing about it consists life, and after it there is Mars. Mars is also known as red planet, and here is asteroid belt that lies between Mars and Jupiter, and these are called inner planets. Now let's talk about outer planets. The first planet is Jupiter. It is the largest planet of our solar system and also known as gas giant. Now let's talk about Saturn. Saturn is famous for its rings. After it Uranus, it is the coldest planet, and after it Neptune, the last planet of the solar system. Thank you.
So this is a periscope. Here we have placed two mirrors, one here and one here, at 45 degrees.
It uses the concept of multiple reflection, in which angles of light reflect at 45-degree angle, making it 90-degree, and making you able to see from this hole to this hole. It is a volcano in which...
It is a volcano, and we have used soft drink and in it. Soft drink contains carbonic acid, and in it sodium bicarbonate is present. When they both are mixed together, then salt is formed, and because of formation of salt, carbon dioxide is released, and when carbon dioxide is released, it comes up, then this erupts.
And this is a poster of India Culture and Heritage, representing its national instrument, national bird, and the multiple religions of India. The elephant, which is the main attraction, represents dignity and power. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. This is solar system. It is made up of aluminium, copper wire, and modeling clay. There are 8 planets in solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Hello, this is my solar system. This is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn.
Hello, my name is Priyanshu Sandil. I am presented here with my model. Is based on solar system, and solar system has sun with 8 planets. So first Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Good evening, sir. This is the project of solar system. There are 8 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Jupiter, Mars, Uranus, Neptune, and Saturn. There are sun is a star that is shiny in our solar system. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Krishna. This is our solar system, and there are 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, and Uranus, and Neptune. The sun has exist light, and Earth is the most important because it exists life.
It is solar system. It is good evening. It is solar system. It consists of.
This was a great opportunity for us to witness the creativity of students from class 6 to 12 in the field of social science. The social science department organized an exhibition of various projects related to various topics of social science. We had geography, projects of geography, civics, history. We had even had projects on economics. So, and all the projects were very unique in their own way and haven't copied anybody. So, I wish that such endeavors are continued in the future also, and we have such exhibitions from other departments also. Thank you.
Social science exhibition. It was a long awaited program which our department, we were planning to do that, and finally on this 14th November we have, it is just like a dream which has come true today. Our students and faculty members all had put their efforts, and thanks especially to the students who had done very well all the projects in their unique manners, unique way. They had tried, and it is really praiseworthy. I thank all, and my special thanks to my director sir, principal sir, and secretary sir Rajesh ji, who have spared their time and encouraged our students. Thanks a lot.
Good evening, everyone. Today we have organized the social science project on the auspicious day of Children's Day. Actually, this was a very long awaited project which we had given to the students in their puja vacation homework, and they have done a lot. Actually, they have done their 100%, they have given their 100%, and they have made their project right from the Harappan culture to the new Parliament House that is known as Bharat Mandapam. And besides, the all features of every projects they have shown very beautifully, in which I mean to say that in Harappan culture they have shown great bath, granary, citadel, everything very beautifully. And in Oxford, that means in Harappan culture, the Oxford Circus, the roads and everything. Likewise, in medieval age, all the monuments like Lal Killa, you may see that several types of project of during the slave dynasty, and after that they switched towards the modern history, and they also made the project like that. So on this auspicious occasion, especially thanks I would like to make my hearty thanks to school management who have provided this opportunity to celebrate such types of events for the students. Thank you everyone.